morning, everybody. What's going on? Today is dyno day, and I'm sure everyone is very excited to know how much power this car makes, as I am. I've kind of gone all summer not knowing how much power this makes because we were still getting remotely tuned by John Parham over at Z1 Motorsports. The Z1 Tuning Lab came in clutch at a great time when I needed to get the car going and out of the shop that it was at being built. And throughout the entire summer, we did a few things, trial and error sort of things, and made sure the car was maxed out with what it's got with the turbo kit. And so today what's going to happen is we're going to go back over to see my buddy Mark Chartrand from International Dyno Authority. We're going to do 3 runs with the wastegate pressure, and then we're going to do another 3 runs with mode B, which is max boost control solenoid. So I gotta go get some gas, fill up, I checked my oil, everything, we're good to go. I'm gonna go there, take off the front bumper, make sure the intercooler is full face, exposed to the fans and the cooling mechanism over at the shop, and then we're gonna just get the buddies over and see how it goes. So let's go get some 94 octane and head our way over there. What a beautiful morning it is. Oh yeah, look at those clouds. It's cool, it's 19 degrees, not humid anymore, thank fuck. Beautiful! It's still 17 degrees too. Holy shit, boost weather, baby! Got the front bumper off. Wastegate pressure, 15 psi spring. Okay. We're in 4th gear.
I'm still lower. Perfect. That's perfect. Yeah. Really fucking cool experience. I feel like a tuner. We're still off wastegate pressure, so. Two to 6? All right, 2 to whatever he says. Good? What? Woo! Okay, sounds good. Ready? gear A. So fourth gear pull. Again, eh? All right, Moby, let's see what the fuck happens. Holy shit! Wow! Woo! 430. Oh man. Okay, so she's heating up. 422. Check out this beautiful Corvette. It's got a cam in it and they're just dialing it up a little bit with the tune. We're gonna see some runs with this on the dyno too. Well, what an amazing experience. We hit 429. I'm very happy with that. With a restricted turbo, does that, right? So Mark's just taking it off the dyno right now, and we're gonna bring it off, but we're gonna stick around and see how the Corvette does. So I'm really excited to see this.